In this activity, a student used the PhET quantum wave interference simulation with a light generator to explore the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. By adjusting the light path weight to 200 nanometer, which is narrow, and 1600 nanometer, which is wide, students can see how the light spreads on the screen. When the path is narrow, the light spreads out more, showing that knowing the position more exactly makes the motion less certain. When the path is wide, the light spreads less, showing that less precise position allows motion to be more predictable. These simple hands-on activities help students see and understand an abstract idea in a clear way and encouraging them to observe, think, and connect what they see to the concept of the uncertainty in the quantum world.